Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a plane in FreeCAD. If you would like to do it, first you need to create an empty file, and after that you need to check if you have here part design mode selected. It is very important to do it. After that we need to click create body option and we need to go to model tab. Now I recommend you to unhide origin. You'll be able to check the plane and the axis. So if you would like to add another plane, you need to click on body. And you need to click on this one icon to create a datum plane. So I click on it. Then we need to select the plane which we want to use. So for example, I select here XZ plane. And now you can easily modify directions. So for example, I will modify in Z direction. I'm going to increase this value. And how you see the position of this plane is being changed. So you can increase or decrease this value, everything depends of your preferences. And I recommend you to change the view because then it will be easy for you to check how it works. So I click maybe on this one icon and now you can really easily modify this plane. Of course, if you will finish to edit this plane, you need to click OK button and then it will be visible here. You can always modify it again if you want. So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.